Hey, what's going on? Brock here. Today I am making it a Maxima Monday. I'm out here installing the map sensor spacer on my 2020 L5P Duramax, which is awesome, but everybody knows one of the little things you can do is a map sensor spacer to keep soot off the map sensor, keep it accurate, keep your power up, and everything working like it should. And so it's a prime opportunity again for a Maxima Monday with the Maxima contact cleaner, which cleans crud off electronic contacts, sensors, things like that. So I guess this really isn't about that as much as it is about this, but we're gonna do both and it should be quick and easy and hopefully painless. So let's get started. I'm gonna get you pointed at the map sensor right here. If I can get to it. This guy right here. So here we go. First thing I'm gonna do is take my trusty 10 mil and just bust that loose. Oh, no, we're getting it. It's coming off fairly easy and sensor's already wiggling, so that's a good sign. Come on out, buddy. Put this right here so I don't lose it. Wiggle and pull gently but firmly. Don't want to damage anything. Oh, ooh, wow! And you can see all of the soot that just came off of that for sure. I mean, you can just, wow. I can see where that could rob some power. So I'm gonna just knock some of the crud off of it right quick. Bust out the good stuff right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it. Whew, that is nasty. Just gonna cheat and use it as brake clean there for a second. Oh, you can just see that oil getting everywhere. So yeah, I'm glad I brought this stuff out. Just got the trusty rag and just gently knock some of that crud off without actually hurting the map sensor. Clean this up as much as I can here. I think I'm going to hit it with just a little bit more. Probably not supposed to use it this way, but I just need some moisture to get that gone right quick, and I don't feel like going and getting brake clean for that. So there we go, that's a lot better. So now we get into the box here and got the spacer, the O-ring, and a bolt. So the first thing we do is pull this out, and we're gonna just line it back up and gently but firmly press that guy in there. Take our M6 10 mil bolt that we removed earlier. Get it started right quick. And this is definitely not high torque stuff. S&B recommends a torque wrench. I'm not using a torque wrench. They say the torque spec is 60 inch-pounds, so that's like 5 foot-pounds or so. I'm just gonna get it kind of hand snug there. And so the next step is this O-ring. Seats in this groove. Let's get it seated and not drop it, because that would make for very bad video. Seated properly, then it'll let me hang it upside down to place it where it goes. And it is. So I will grab the fancy stainless socket head cap screw they provide hopefully get this lined up and started. Here we go. Use this handy driver. I think it's an M5 Allen head. And this thing I got for Christmas a million years ago, and it's been probably my favorite driver I've ever had. So that's on there. Double check this guy right quick, just good and tight. And we're done. So quick, easy, painless. Gave me a chance to use this stuff finally. Seems like it worked pretty good, and I guess we'll see how the truck runs with it. See you later. And I'm back because I'm a dummy and I forgot an important step, and S&B will be mad at me, even though they have nothing to do with this video other than I like their stuff. I was supposed to use Loctite on that last bolt. They provide it, but it was too quick and easy for me, so I didn't use it. So we're about to do that right quick. Doesn't even take very much. So I'll lay that right there in my handy silicone S&B Filters tool tray. They really should sponsor me. I want some of the other stuff. But anyway, so I'm gonna run this guy back out of here right quick, and you probably want to see that happen. Come on, got it. Just a little bit of Loctite. Nothing crazy. That is probably more than adequate. And I'm going to repeat the process. A little bit of righty-tighty and we'll be good to go here. There she is. Okay, so now it's done. It's done properly. Again, shout out to Maxima Racing Oils and all the other cool stuff they make. Best stuff in the business. Anything they sell, get it, try it, you'll love it, you'll never go back. And shameless plug for S&B Filters, who makes the map spacer and all sorts of other cool stuff for this truck that I'll probably get at some point, but I'm not affiliated with S&B at this point in time. Maybe in the future that would be cool, right? You know, I'm sure that's a long line. But thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Try this out.